Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Prince Automation Destination. So today we are going to discuss about WebDriver Manager and how we can use WebDriver Manager to download the driver executables, and then we will discuss about traditional way of managing driver executable prior to WebDriver Manager, and then we'll be discussing on how we can utilize WebDriver Manager for execution of test cases on Docker browser without the Docker complication. And later we will be discussing about is WebDriver really needed in Selenium 4 or not. So in today's session I'll be first discussing on what are the challenges of managing the driver executables, and then in the upcoming sessions we'll be discussing about how we can utilize the WebDriver Manager to overcome such challenges. Okay, so let me jump onto the code side. So this is the basic code that I have written. So I am first of all keeping it as it is. Now if I will try to execute this test case, so if you look at it, for example, what I'm doing, I'm initializing the WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, meaning I'm creating the object of Chrome driver and assigning it to the WebDriver. Okay, and now I'm trying to launch http source demo.com. So if you will look at it, what will happen, it says that the path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver system property, meaning whenever we try to execute test cases in particular browser, what we need in the background, it need one driver executable as well. So for example, I have Chrome in my system. In order to trigger the test cases in Chrome, what I need one Chrome driver as well. So how we can get that Chrome driver? So you need to go to this particular location for Chrome 115 onwards. So in my system Chrome 116 is there. So what we need to do, we need to double click on this particular Chrome driver corresponding to whatever the OS you are using. In my case it is Windows. So we need to double click on it, and we need to directly go here, open new tab and hit here, and as soon as we will hit, we will be able to download it. So in my case I have already downloaded it. So once you download it, you need to navigate to this chrome driver.exe location. You need to right click on this or copy as path, or maybe you can copy path like this. And then what you need to do, you need to use system.set property parameter, by which what we are doing, we are letting the system know that the webdriver.chrome.driver executable exists at this location, and this is the traditional way of managing the driver executable. So let us see, we should be able to resolve this error right now. So you see it is now able to launch the driver, and it will now quit because I have written the code for quit as well. Quit means closing the browser. Okay, so now we will discuss about what is WebDriver Manager. Okay, so WebDriver Manager is nothing but Java library or Java dependency, Maven dependency I mean, but it is a Java library which we can download from the Maven, right, using Maven. So this is introduced by Dr. Bodhi Gracia, and it is available at this particular location. We need to provide this dependency in the Maven under dependencies tag, and I'm using 5.4.1 right now. Okay, so what we need to do now, what is the next step? So I'm going back to the code right now. So WebDriver Manager is for managing the driver. Okay, so now if you look at it, we were previously setting it up using the webdriver.com.driver, and we were using system.get property, system.set property. So WebDriver Manager has provided one way of managing the driver by itself. So what we need to do, we need to write in WebDriver Manager dot chrome driver dot setup. Okay, and we can now remove this particular line of code. So whatever this line was doing work, line number 17, similar thing now 18 will take care of it automatically. It will download the driver automatically. First of all, in our case we have downloaded it manually, but in case of after writing this line number 18, what it will do, it will download the driver at a specified location, and automatically it will take care of setting up this system.set property as well. So I'm now going to comment it, and will show you. Before that, let me go to the location where it automatically download, so that I can clear that it is in users. For the user, then we have .cache. In my system it is 16. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove 16. Yeah, or let me remove all. Okay, so when I will, for example, now try to run it, I'll show you like how it downloads. Okay, so in this case it will automatically download and it will automatically use system.set property internally. We don't need to explicitly do this. Okay, you see it is able to launch the uh, browser, it is able to download. So let me go back to that location once. So if you look at it, when this automatically downloaded the exe, latest exe based on the browser installed in your system. So this is how we can utilize WebDriver Manager to manage the dependency, driver dependency. Similarly, for example, if you want to use it for Firefox, what you need to do, you need to type WebDriver Manager dot Firefox driver dot setup, and here you'll have to use Firefox driver. This is how you can manage the WebDriver Manager for downloading the dependencies. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you find it really useful. Thank you.